Xerxes Man with you. I have good news. I have found I won't be working with my PS2 anymore. I also have a new TV. No, that's not it. But I won't be working with my PS2 anymore, but maybe I'll be working with my N64. Alright. You know what? Here's my good news. I got Vizio. I got one for Christmas, and I will soon, maybe in 1 week, I'll be doing glitches with it. And some better news is that I've also gotten a Wii for Christmas. For what I'm gonna be doing with it is I'm gonna be doing a Lego Indiana Jones, Mario Kart, and maybe doing some cheats for Wii Sports. And that's all my good news. Adios.